On screen, title card. Text, how to merge videos in Inshot, step-by-step guide, 60 seconds. Narration, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to merge multiple clips in Inshot, step by step. On screen, phone home screen. A finger taps the Inshot app. Narration, first, open the Inshot app on your phone. On screen, Inshot home screen. Call out, step 1, start a new video project. Finger taps video. Narration, tap video, then tap new to start a new project. On screen, gallery opens. Multiple clips are selected. Text, select multiple clips. Narration, from your gallery, tap to select every clip you want to merge, make sure they're all checked. On screen, Inshot timeline with all clips in order. Zoom into timeline. Text, drag to rearrange. Narration, Inshot loads your clips onto the timeline. Drag each clip left or right to rearrange the order. On screen, play button tapped. Quick preview of merged clips playing. Narration, tap play to quickly preview how your merged video flows from start to finish. On screen, zoom into the cut between two clips. Text, step 2, add transitions. Narration, next, add smooth transitions between your clips. On screen, finger taps the small transition icon between clips. Transition options slide up. Narration, tap the small transition icon between clips to open the transition options. On screen, different transition styles previewed. Text, choose your style. Narration, choose a style you like dissolve, slide, or zoom and adjust the duration if needed. On screen, timeline shows transitions between all clips. Text, repeat between every clip. Narration, repeat this for each cut so every clip flows smoothly into the next. On screen, tap export icon at top right. Export settings panel appears. Text, step 3, export. Narration, when you're happy, tap the export button, pick your resolution and frame rate. On screen, progress bar exporting, then final merged video thumbnail saved. Text, done. Merged in Inshot. Narration, tap save, let it export, and your merged video is ready to share. Follow for more quick editing tips.